Motrec International proudly presents the all-new MX-480 crane truck. More efficient than a chain block, but compact enough to access tight spaces other lift systems cannot. 4 hydraulic outriggers ensure stable, worry-free hoisting under any conditions. The extendable rear-facing boom crane boasts a 150-inch turning radius and a variety of hooks to choose from. Now you can hoist and haul loads of up to 2,000 pounds safely and confidently. And like all Motrecs, the MX-480 is fully customizable and comes with a long list of options, including an all-weather steel cab. Standard features include a time-saving roll-out battery compartment. Here's to rugged, dependable vehicles that can run around the clock. When you need to get the job done right,